Narendra Modi on May 10th urged citizens to use petrol, diesel, and cooking gas with restraint as the Hormuz blockade disrupted global fuel supplies and triggered concerns over energy security. Addressing a public event in Hyderabad, Modi said imported petrol products should be used only when necessary to reduce pressure on India's foreign exchange reserves and minimize the economic impact of the West Asia conflict. The Prime Minister said the current crisis highlighted the importance of energy conservation and self reliance. He pointed to India's expansion of solar power, ethanol blending, LPG coverage, and CNG infrastructure as steps that had strengthened the country's energy security. Modi also appealed to people to revive COVID era practices such as work from home, virtual meetings, and video conferencing to reduce fuel consumption. He encouraged citizens to use metro services, public transport, carpooling, and railways for goods transport whenever possible. He further urged people to avoid unnecessary foreign travel and appealed to families not to purchase gold during functions for 1 year in order to conserve foreign exchange reserves. Calling for support to local industries, Modi asked citizens to prefer Swadeshi products and reduce dependence on imported goods. He also encouraged people to cut edible oil consumption by 10% and promote organic farming to reduce reliance on imported fertilizers. During the event, Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation for development projects worth nearly 9,400 crore rupees in Telangana, including railway, highway, and textile infrastructure works.